Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Dewaxify series. We have another tricky one here. Hair makes earwax removal quite tricky, partly because it blocks the view, but more so it really traps the wax. You're really fighting with the hair, which is holding the wax in place, holding it in, sort of pulling on the hair almost when you're pulling the wax out. A lot of the hair is dead hair and it's loose and it's within the wax itself. But the hair that's attached to the canals can feel quite uncomfortable if it's not done carefully. But you can see here it's coming out quite nicely. We have a big plug of wax. It's nice and comfortable for the patient too. And a lot of the hair that you see on the right hand side there, that's attached to the canal wall. But you'll actually see hair in the wax itself as it comes forward. And that's just where it's been released from the canal. It's poking, it's almost there. And it's coming out as a large solid piece, really gently. Just imagine the relief. So you'll see me pausing, and that's just because there's a small piece of wax that's gone into the tube, so I'm just waiting for it to go down. I'm washing it out so that I can carry on. I do try and cut out some of those stops. There's some oil in there now, and that doesn't necessarily soften the wax at this stage, but it does stop it from sticking to the wall as much as I'm bringing it forward, and it also helps with that hair. It lubricates that tension between the wax and the hair, so it works really well. So there's that piece on the end which is not very strong. So what I'm going to do is just try and go in a bit deeper and hold on to a larger piece. There we go. That's that smaller piece coming forward again. Loosening it up, and there we go. It's out of the canal. Wonderful. And there we have it. A nice clear ear canal and the eardrum all visible. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.